Welcome to PlanetUp. In this video, we explore the awe-inspiring yet terrifying power of nature's most devastating disasters. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, and subscribe to our channel for more incredible content. Let's dive into the heart of these natural calamities. Brutal destruction in Switzerland. Flash floods hit Zermatt and Aosta Valley with unprecedented force. The valleys were engulfed in water, carrying debris and mud, leaving a trail of destruction in its wake. Roads were washed away, homes inundated, and the community left in shock. The aftermath is a somber reminder of the relentless power of nature. As the waters recede, the true extent of the damage becomes clear. Emergency services are working tirelessly to rescue those trapped and provide aid to the displaced. The resilience of the human spirit shines through as communities come together to support one another. This devastating event underscores the urgent need to address climate change and its impacts on our environment. Let's stand in solidarity with those affected and strive to protect our planet from further harm. Ferocious storms and torrential rains hit southern Switzerland, France, and Italy. Climate change increases these extreme events. Apocalyptic flooding devastates northern Italy and Switzerland, with hundreds evacuated. Torrential flooding has affected parts of northern Italy, Switzerland, and France. It seems like the world's weather systems are out of balance. Switzerland faced heavy rainfall and thunderstorms, causing landslides and floods in the mountainous south. Imagine if climate change was truly impacting our weather patterns. The devastation is a stark reminder of nature's power. Hurricane Beryl made landfall in Carriacou with extreme winds ripping off roofs, knocking down trees, and filling the air with debris. When you see palms falling, you know it's intense, praying that no lives are lost. May God protect us all during this terrifying storm. The destruction is unimaginable, and our hearts go out to everyone affected by this powerful hurricane. Let's hope for a swift recovery and safety for all those in its path. Hurricane Beryl near Jamaica as a powerful Category 4 storm, flattening homes and devastating agriculture on smaller islands in the eastern Caribbean. It felled power lines and unleashed flash floods. May God give protection and strength to the people of the Caribbean. Stay safe, Jamaica. An incredible mudslide at Johnson's Landing in British Columbia. Amazing footage, great upload, simply breathtaking. A river in Sucre, Venezuela, overflowed its banks and caused serious flooding due to Hurricane Beryl. The devastation is immense. We are praying for the safety of all those affected. Let's keep them in our thoughts as they navigate through this challenging time. Flash flooding and mud runoff triggered by a monsoon storm. Wow! See how quickly everything got stuck, and it couldn't go under the bridge, causing water and debris to overflow the banks. Scary stuff. Wildfires have been burning on the Greek island of Rhodes for nearly 7 days after an extreme heat wave. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Subscribe to PlanetUp for more breathtaking and eye-opening content. Stay safe, and see you in the next video as we continue to explore the wonders and terrors of our natural world.